Now it is time to reveal why our professional development courses are so effective. Yeah, we're really sharing the secret sauce on this one. Welcome back to 3-Minute Brief. Today, we're tackling a critical workplace issue: boring, ineffective employee training. If your training consists of a monotone lecture, 100-slide PowerPoints, and a mandatory quiz at the end, congratulations, you've successfully put your entire team to sleep. But there's a better way. Let's talk about why adult learning concepts matter and how they can actually keep your employees awake, engaged, and learn something. Here's the deal. Adults don't learn the way kids do. We don't just absorb information just because someone tells us to. We need it to be relevant, practical, and interactive. Think about it. When was the last time you truly paid attention in a training where the instructor just read off slides? Yeah, never. Nobody wants to be trapped in a training session that feels like a hostage situation. Break up the monotony. Use discussions, hands-on activities, and real-world scenarios. Ask questions. Encourage participation. Maybe even throw in a little friendly competition. The more employee interaction, the more they retain. Bonus, they won't hate you for making them sit through another dull training. Adults learn best when they understand why something matters. Don't just tell them the policy, show them how it impacts their daily work. Use real-life examples, case studies, or if you're feeling a little bold, some well-placed humor. People remember stories, not spreadsheets. Bottom line, training isn't just about throwing information at people and hoping something sticks. Make it engaging, make it interactive, and make it relevant. Your employees will thank you. That's your 3-minute brief. Like, subscribe, and follow for more workplace wisdom. And remember, if your training is boring, it's not them, it's you.